Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 15, and the name of the chapter is Simple Past Tense. In the previous video we have learnt about the present tense. Now we will start the past tense. Let's start. Read these sentences to find out what Mithun did yesterday. Notice the highlighted words. Now we will read the few sentences about Mithun, what he did yesterday, and you have to notice the highlighted words in the given passage. Let's start. Mithun went to school in the morning. He returned home at 2:45 p.m. He had his lunch. Then he gave his dog Captain a bath. He groomed Captain and gave it lunch. Then he took it to the park and played with it. Mithun and his pet enjoyed themselves. The highlighted words in these sentences tell us that the actions happened in the past. They are in the simple past tense. Now students, these highlighted words tell what he did in the past. The simple past tense is used to talk about actions that happened at a certain time in the past. Now what are the simple past tense? The tense which tells us about the actions that we did or happened at a particular time in the past are called simple past tense. Study this table to understand the use of the simple past tense. Singular. I sang, you sang, he, she, it sang. So here students, sang is the action that is done. Now I is the subject. With singular subject we use the second form of the verb. With you also we use the second form. Means in simple past tense we use the second form of the verb. In the plural case we sang, you sang, they sang. With singular, I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, you were, they were. So students, the be form of the verb in past tense we use. With singular we use was, and with plural we use were. Singular and plural. I had, you had, he, she, it had, we had, you had, they had. So in the present we use has and have, but in the past tense we use had with singular also, and with plural we also use had. Means in both the singular plural forms we use the same form, that is the had. Note, most verbs form their past by adding d or ed. For example, work, worked, bake, baked. Means students, some verbs make their second form a past form by adding d or ed at the end of it. For example, worked and baked. Second, verbs that end in y drop the y and take ied. For example, cry, cried, fry, fried. So students, the verbs that end with letter y, then this y is replaced with ied. So the verb becomes, for example, cried becomes cried. Here the y is replaced with ied. So spelling becomes cried, cried. Next, some verbs change their form completely. For example, go, went, give, gave, come, came, run, ran, eat, ate, see, saw, meet, met, think, thought. So students, there are certain verbs also which change their form completely. Means their spelling also get changed by changing into the second form, and these are the certain examples of such verbs. Remember, the being verbs was and were are the forms of the verb be in the past. So in the past tense the be form of the verb is was and were. With singular we use was, and with plural subjects we use were. So students, revise all these terms, read it once again, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.